The Pixel series has always been known for one thing above everything else: great camera quality at a reasonable price. Google has built this reputation over the years by relying less on fancy camera hardware and more on smart software and computational photography. With the Pixel 10a expected to arrive as early as February, many people are naturally asking the same question. Is the Pixel 10a camera getting any real upgrades? Based on everything we know so far from leaks, certifications, and early renders, the short answer is no. The Pixel 10a looks set to be extremely similar to the Pixel 9a, especially when it comes to camera hardware. There is no solid information pointing to new sensors, new lenses, or a different camera layout. Instead, Google appears to be sticking with a familiar setup and focusing on software improvements once again. Starting with the number of cameras, the Pixel 10a is expected to keep the same arrangement as previous Pixel models. That means 2 cameras on the back and 1 camera on the front. On the rear, you'll likely get a main wide camera and an ultra-wide camera. There is still no telephoto lens, which is not surprising for this price range. On the front, the phone is expected to feature a single-hole punch selfie camera. Just like last year design-wise, leaked CAD renders and what look like official images suggest Google will continue using the same flush camera design introduced with the Pixel 9a. There is no raised camera bar this time. This means the phone can lie flat on a table without rocking, which is something many people actually appreciate, even if it doesn't get talked about much. When it comes to megapixels and camera hardware, nothing exciting is expected to change. All current reports suggest the Pixel 10a will reuse the same camera hardware found in the Pixel 9a. That means no increase in megapixel count, no larger sensors, and no added telephoto camera. For some people, this may sound disappointing, but from Google's point of view, it makes sense. The Pixel 9 already used camera hardware closely related to more expensive Pixel devices, including foldables. If Google pushed the hardware further in the series, it could start eating in an appeal of its higher-priced phones. By keeping the hardware mostly the same, Google can clearly separate its budget-friendly models from its premium lineup. Where Google really plans to make improvements is software. Computational photography has always been the heart of Pixel cameras, and the Pixel 10a is expected to launch with Android 16 and the latest version of Google's camera processing. Even without new sensors, this can still lead to better results in everyday use. We can expect improvements in HDR tone mapping, which should help photos look more balanced in bright and dark areas. Exposure consistency in tricky lighting situations should also improve, meaning fewer blown-out highlights or overly dark shadows. Super-res zoom is expected to be refined as well, likely offering usable digital zoom up to around 8x. Even without a telephoto lens, Google is also known for improving skin tones and color accuracy with each new generation, so portraits and people photos should look more natural. That said, when you compare the Pixel 10a directly to the Pixel 9a, the differences in camera performance will probably be small. Daylight photos, HDR performance, color reproduction, and digital zoom should all feel very familiar. If you already own a Pixel 9a, the Pixel 10a camera alone will almost certainly not be a good enough reason to upgrade. However, that doesn't mean the Pixel 10a camera will be bad. Far from it. Pixel phones have consistently delivered reliable, high-quality photos compared to other mid-range devices. They may not win spec sheet battles, but they usually perform very well in real-world shooting. For people upgrading from much older Pixel phones or switching from other mid-range Android devices, the Pixel 10R should still feel like a solid camera upgrade. You'll get dependable photo quality, strong HDR, good low light performance for the class, and useful camera features that just work without much effort. In the end, the Pixel 10a camera story is all about consistency rather than innovation. Google doesn't seem interested in changing what already works. While that may not excite everyone, it does make the Pixel 10a one of the safer camera choices in the mid-range once it officially launches.